What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the Market Overview. Guys, today we stayed in the same old goddamn range that we've been in since the beginning of the week. Now, we're only 2 days in, of course, so just from yesterday to today, you could see the same gap, but we knew, right, 45.45 was our level of reject here. We barely got there. We're able to take that down, and we knew that bounce at the end of the day was going to get resurrected here at the contract roll gap up, and it did. Now, we are down underneath yesterday's lows, yesterday being today technically. We are technically one tick below right here. So this is interesting, guys. Tomorrow we all know we got the CPI print, consumer price index. That's at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So really, this video is really going to be pointless depending how we open tomorrow, right? And it's not going to matter if it comes in at 100% increase of fucking price, if it's underneath expectations, if it's this, if it's that, blah, blah, blah. I don't give a fuck. It cost me $6.05 a gallon to fill up my fucking car today. I don't give a fuck what it comes in at tomorrow, right? All I care about is it going to trade around my areas of interest where I can get in and get out of a trade with my most favorable setup. That's all I care about. I could give a fuck what happens, who says what, where it goes, whatever. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do for you guys today. I'm just gonna give you two areas I'm watching on each chart. And wherever we're at, you're going to have to reassess in the morning because we could be directly at those levels and they could hit phenomenally, or we could be way above or below those levels. So you just have to be a trader. Be a trader tomorrow. Tomorrow, I guarantee we will not end tomorrow in this range, or maybe not end in the range, but we're not going to start in it, I don't think. Okay, I think we're going to gap up or gap down in some areas. So tomorrow, guys, 45.45. I'm going to watch for the reject. 45.60. I have to get above 45.60 for me to get really bull. I think we get back to 46.20 from there. But really, 45.45, going to watch the reject. Now, we're kind of filling this gap down here in this overnight session so far. Do we do it? I don't know. But tomorrow, if we gap down in the pre-market on the data, 44.68 to 44.50, that's the levels I'm watching to the downside for a bounce. Okay, that's the ES chart, SPY chart. Let's take a peek here. All about 448.50, 448.50, 448.50, 448.50, 448.50. I could say it again, say it again, say it again. Watch for the reject. I need a break and hold with the higher low that you target 451 and then 453 above there. Okay. Breaking out of this little bear flag that I had drawn earlier. Let's see if we stay underneath 445. I'm going to watch 442.50 for the bounce. 442.50 for the bounce. That's where I'm going to be watching tomorrow. Underneath there, you could definitely take the short. I think we take it down to 439, 440. So definitely some downside room. Above that 448.50, guys, 451, 453.50 is the gap to the upside you'll want to pay attention to. QQQ here. Tech's been a little bit stronger than the SPOOs or the S&P. So it's definitely something to be noteworthy of. But this 372 level, I will be watching tomorrow. I really like the bounce at 369. Under 369, I do like the short trade. There is definitely a short trade under 369, and it'll take you down to 366.50. I like the bounce at 369. 366.50, excuse me. Underneath 369 can take the shorts down to 366.50. Now, if we hold 369 or we hold 372 tomorrow, watch for the break and hold of this 377.50 or watch the reject, right? I'm just giving you areas of interest to trade around. You have to be a trader tomorrow. Okay, you have to be a trader tomorrow. Guys, IWM, last but not least, of course, we can see Russell 2000 small caps. Let's zoom out just a tad here. We can see how big, right? This 183 level, 183.50, that's got to hold, that's got to hold, that's got to hold. The short trade is underneath 182, these weekly lows. You can target 189 or 179.50. I look for the bounce there at 179.50. Upside trade, you can have it, got to get over 185. Need a 1 or 4 hour close above 185. That goes, target 188 above there. Guys, that's it. CPI print is tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You got to be up early. You got to get your levels right, of course. You got to not do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.